Google Alerts is a free notification service offered by Google for a particular keyword or phrase you would like to track. For example, you are a graphic designer and you want to know about the graphic designing jobs posted online. Instead of doing time-consuming searches on different websites, you can receive alerts of all the jobs available online while doing almost nothing. All you need to do is simply set up a Google alert for your job search. Let's learn how to do it. Let's say, I search graphics designing jobs. We are now seeing results for graphic designing jobs, but it is also showing results that include synonyms of this term, such as graphic design, graphic designer, etc. Like this article is talking about graphic design careers which we don't want. That's why we need to refine and improve our results so that we only get results that we want. For this we need to use operators which refine our results. The first operator we talk about is quotation marks. Whenever we place quotation marks before and after a set of words, it means Google will provide us results that include exactly those words which we provided and in that exact order. But it may have one drawback. Let's say if there is some job which includes the term graphics design jobs, so it will miss that article. But don't worry, we will fix it with the second operator, that is, or operator. Let's say to fix the previous problem, we can use graphics designing job or graphics design job. The presence of or provides a choice that Google will provide us results that include any one of the terms, either graphic designing jobs or graphic design jobs. But what if there is some job that includes graphic designer job? Don't worry. We will fix it later with the another operator, that is, and operator. Let's say I write graphic design without quotation marks, then write and operator, and then write jobs within quotation marks. The function of and operator is to show results that include both terms, graphic design as well as jobs. Here, I didn't place quotation marks around graphic design, so it also shows results that include synonyms of graphic design like graphic designer, graphic designing, etc. And I placed quotation marks around jobs, so it shows results that must include this term because we want to know about the jobs. Now coming to fourth and most helpful operator, which is cite. If you want to get job notifications from specific websites like Upwork, you can do this using cite operator. For this, we write cite, then write site address from which you want notifications. And then write the job title. These sites usually post jobs like graphic designer required or graphic designer needed. So we can write as required and needed within quotation marks and add or operator between them. And last but not least, if you want a job within specific price range, you can do that too. Put $ in front of a number to set a price, and add 2 dots between these numbers to specify price range. And it will provide you job within specified range. And finally, when you are done with the refining of results, click Show Options. First is how often you want to receive alerts. As it happens, once a day or once a week. Second, choose sources from which you want to receive results, either news, blog, web, video, book, etc. Choose automatic if you are not sure. You can select any language. Then you can choose a region of your choice or leave it to any region. And last is how many, which gives you 2 options, either select only best results or select all the results. And then, enter an email where you want to receive alerts. And click Create Alert. That's all for now. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.